In this video, we're going to install the serpentine belt on a 1.8T. To get started, we're going to slide the belt in place, but we have a bolt right by the balancer where the washer is too large. You actually aren't able to slide the belt in between the bolt and the balancer, so we're going to need to remove it. With that bolt removed, we can slide it around the balancer, and then it comes up around through your tensioner here onto the alternator, and then this part of the belt is going to wrap around right here where our fan is going to go. Installing the fan can be a tricky part because you got tension on the belt, and we can loosen up the tensioner to make it a little bit easier. There's a tab on your tensioner here where a wrench can slip on, and then you can pull this, which loosens up your belt, and now we have a lot more room to be able to get the fan on it. But this is spring tension, so you have to hold this while you slide this in place, but it kind of clicks where it's supposed to sit. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, but right there it'll fit in. I'm using my knee as a third hand here so I can hold the fan in, and then with this hand I can adjust the belt to get it in the correct spot. And now we can insert the bolt that goes on the back. There's a bolt behind the fan here, and if you didn't know that's where it is, this would be very hard to find. It's held in with an 8mm hex head. You want to twist it in as much as you can by hand. Now we can get a socket in there and tighten it up. Now we can spin it and everything moves as it should.